Welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today we are going to be going over a few items we would not have in our house as professional cleaners because they are hard to clean. Not that they can't be cleaned, but they are not easy to clean. And that noise, if you're wondering, is Mr. Teddy, say hi, playing with his toy. If you have not already, oh no, make sure you subscribe. That way you will not miss the next time we upload. And now on to the video. The first thing we are going to be talking about today is a candelabra. Yes, not all that are like this are antique, but they are a revival of an antique piece, and antiques are actually making a comeback in home decor. The ones with crystals require a delicate touch, and each crystal needs to be cleaned individually, and I personally would hate to break such a beautiful thing. The types with intricate details tend to snag the duster or the rag, and it can be a challenge to get in between everything to remove the dust. They can be cleaned, but it is not an easy clean. Starburst atomic decor made a huge comeback in recent years, and it has started to see a decline, but they are on this list, so that does mean, in our opinion, they are hard to clean. The middle section, where all of the spikes stem from, tends to hold on to dust, and it is not an easy thing to get into the middle to clean. The ends of the spikes can grab onto the duster or the rag, and that runs the risk of bending, or if the item is on the wall, it can fall down. They can be cleaned, but it definitely requires more than a typical dusting. Metal wall art started to make a comeback in the past few years. The thing that we have noticed is a lot of today's metal works of art are made up of a thin metal, and they can bend easy. The metal is not always smooth where the pieces are welded together. This in return snags the duster or the rag you are using to clean. The tight corners are also something that is a bit of a challenge. Getting into those tight spots requires more than just a quick dust to get cleaned. The items with multiple layers, like a floral motif, are hard to get each layer of that flower clean. And again, you run the risk of something bending. They can be cleaned, but they do require more to be fully cleaned. Next, we are going to be covering having a lot of small knickknacks. When it comes to cleaning, most cleaners dread dusting something that is covered in a lot of knickknacks. Each item needs to be dusted themselves, under each item needs to be dusted, and then you have to put the item back into its original spot. Having to move so many items is going to make your cleaning job last longer. Also, with so many small items, you run the risk of something breaking. Having too many items on display can make a room feel chaotic, cluttered, and overwhelming. They can be cleaned, but it's not an easy clean, and it definitely is much more time consuming. Raw wood became popular again in home decor a few years back. And because of that, we have seen an increase in artwork made from raw wood. The issue with raw wood or art made from reclaimed wood, in our opinion, is a big nightmare to clean. We feel like no matter what, removing dust is not a task that can be accomplished easily. We love using a Swiffer duster, and they just snag, leaving us to have to pull out those fibers from the wood. We have also tried a rag, and it too gets snagged. We have found that if you tap the duster, it won't snag as much. Using an attachment from a vacuum is also something that we have tried, and no matter what, we do not feel like we can remove all of the dust. We are going to be covering rough metal furniture. Now, when we are speaking about metal furniture, it's not the smooth type with a shiny finish. It's the kind that looks like it was painted with sand. Most that we have seen are actually in the frames of a shelving unit, but we have run across some other furniture with rough metal. It is a little like raw wood, where it slightly snags whatever you're using to dust, and it's not easy to run the duster along it. The thing we have noticed is that even after cleaning, it doesn't really look clean. If the piece of furniture has detailing, getting into those small spaces is also something that takes extra time and most certainly more patience. Okay. I do need to make a point because a lot of people have made comments about the fact that we are lazy or we're just complaining. And no, that's not the case. There are a lot of people out there who want to simplify their cleaning process as much as possible, which is Cody and I in our own houses. When it comes to our clients' houses, we don't mind these items that I am discussing today. It's just when it comes to my own house, I want it to be as easy as possible to clean. And we want to pass that knowledge on to all of you. I hope you guys understand. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, have an amazing day.